Hi, hopefully everybody's had a good week. So today I'm going to be going over the learning objective number one, which is define standard scores. So standard scores are made-up scores that allow for placement of raw scores into a common scale. And this is helpful for comparing apples to oranges. So what we mean by comparing apples to oranges is that if you have two different tests which are made to measure the same thing. So the example in the book gives is two different tests of basketball skill, which is dribbling and shooting. But the dribbling test is based on the least amount of time it'll take to dribble through an obstacle course. And the shooting test is how many baskets you can make. So these tests aren't equivalent. You can't really add them together and expect for both of those scores to mean the same thing. So by transferring those scores into a standard score, that will allow you to compare these apples to oranges, so to speak. So, like I said, this is helpful to determine which athlete is better in terms of the dribbling score versus the shooting score, even though these are two different tests. And this can indicate a person's placement in a large group because it converts all observations to the same scale. In that way, it is possible to combine and average raw scores that are not on the same scale. So the different types of these are percentile scores, which are a norm reference criterion, z-scores, which are the most common, and t-scores, which are used with a lower sample, and this is for mathematical reasons. And these are all based on the normal distribution curve.